Hello, welcome to the unboxing video of your classic 2.5-7x32 Dual X Reticle rifle scope made by Weaver, manufacturer number 849399. It has a 2.5x7 magnification. Your objective diameter is 30 millimeters. It is a Dual X reticle. Your field of view is 39.8 feet at 100 yards. Your eye relief is 3.15 inches. It does have a click value of 1/4 inch at 100 yards. The overall length is 12.9 inches and it does weigh 11 ounces. It does come with your warranty and registration card. You also have a manufacturer instruction booklet on your scope. The scope is a 1-inch tube. It has fully multi-coated lenses. There is a hard coating on your exterior lenses. It is nitrogen purged to eliminate internal fogging. It is waterproof and shockproof and fogproof. You have a hunting style wind and elevation knobs with your caps. They are coin adjustable. They are not finger adjustable. Again, they are 1/4 inch click value. And the overall length is 12.9 inches and it does weigh 11 ounces. Your reticle is your Dual X reticle. It is a matte black finish. And again, this has been the unboxing video for the classic 2.5-7x32 Dual X Reticle rifle scope made by Weaver, manufacturer number 849399.